Good evening, my dear friends and dear parents. A warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to another episode of Web Talk Show. This is our 22nd episode. I'm your host, Purva Kakre, the founder and director of Teachers and Training Networking Community. Let me tell you more about myself. I'm a socialite, a skill educator, and an event organizer. I'm founder of two main communities. This is one is teachers trainers community and the other one is Indian Women Networking. Indian Women Networking is a forum for empowerment of women, homemakers, telecommunicators and professionals. So I would like to tell you about what is Web Talk Show. Web Talk Show is a show where we you get a chance to be known, recognized, and admired by the viewers. It is the show where we bring guest speakers from all walks of life, where they share their experiences, stories, inspiring stories, their professional advices, their business promotion, their social activities, and many more. So, if you wish to be on this platform to share about your brand, any stories, inspiring stories, your brand promotion, or you want to share any knowledge with us, then do connect with us. We are there for you. So, let's begin our show. So, today we are talking about that reading is essential for kids. It's a very important part of their life. So a book is always be your child. Even if your child is sad, aggregated, happy, they never leave or walk away. Books can help them in many ways. But how can we introduce book in their life? Today, let's uncover few secrets on how to inculcate this habit of reading with your child with an expert, Khushi Hinduja. Let me tell you about Khushi. Khushi is an parenting coach. She is an DMIT expert and she has been in this field for last 8 years. So let's welcome Khushi. I just connect with her. Hi Khushi, good evening.
Good evening. Namaste, everybody. Hi, Pooja. How are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
So, oh, sorry. So Khushi, just a minute. Yeah. So, Khushi, today we are talking about how it is important to inculcate a habit of reading in kids, right? So, my first question goes, why is reading important?
Firstly, week after week, Purva has taken this special effort actually to get so many guests and experts on her page. And again, if you sneak peek into her pages, we've been continuously talking to parents on different aspects of parenting. And today, again, she's come up with an exciting topic which is very close to my heart. That is reading, because vacations are on, and
Yes,
each and
absolutely.
every parent would like to keep their children away from gadgets and detach from gadgets and make their child start reading. So, as you asked, first I would like to thank you to have me on your platform. Thank you so much. And now for your question, why is reading important? Now, if you if you talk about reading, everybody says reading is very good because it helps to enhance the vocabulary skills, grammar skills, communication skills. It increases the imagination and the creativity levels in our child. Absolutely agree. But one important thing I think, which is very important, is it helps you become a more smarter person than you are today. So that is,
Exactly.
I keep telling my children as well. See, if you want to really become smart, start reading, because gadgets are not going to help. And that is where it just, the neurons in the brain just tells that, oh yes, mama, we need to become more smarter when we wake up tomorrow. And this
Yes.
is one such habit that y'all can actually inculcate every day and enhance them to become more smart in their everyday life. So this is why reading is important.
So they become more creative. they create a good imagination while they are reading, so they start imagining or reading a book. So I think so
Right.
that is more important, that they should be imaginative and creative while reading. Yeah.
Correct.
So I would like to ask you, कि how can you identify which type of reader you are? Like, if a child is reading, like I said, कि they become more imaginative, creative. So how we'll decide that which type of reader we are?
So actually, Purva, this is a very interesting concept, like that I actually did with last year in 2020 with my children. I took up a reading session and a 3-day workshop which I had done that time. And in that, I said, why not create a complete module wherein I can encourage reading as a part of children's life. And जैसे आपने बहुत rightly कहा, like it increases their imagination and creativity, the setting of the story, the moral of the story, what did you learn from the story. But now, how do you identify the type of reader? किसी ने तो ये बात सोची ही नहीं होगी कि अच्छा रीडिंग में भी टाइप्स होते हैं, like
Exactly,
everybody.
I also think the same. कि,
हाँ,
like what books I should consider for my son while reading, like if I'm reading any book for him. So what type of books I should consider and how should I go ahead with that?
correct. So firstly, I would suggest and I would give your few tips to first help your child to select a book. Okay, then we will
Exactly.
be talking about how do you identify what kind of a reader your child is. Okay, so when you want to inculcate this habit of reading, firstly, never ever just buy books and give it to your child. चलो आज मैं तुम्हारे लिए दो किताबें लेकर आ गया, start reading. No, that is not the right way actually, because you do not know your
Usually the
child.
parents do the same. They make this kind of a mistake. Now they can just note down your point ki, yeah, they shouldn't do this. So it's a very interesting one. Please parents listen it carefully.
Right. So we need to understand our child's personality first. What kind of a reader our child is, what is their interest. So first, if you want to introduce books to them, take them to a library, or you can do some research on Amazon, find out and figure out few books for the child. Just how can you do that? So I have got these some books with me, like over here, which I have it at home. Okay, here are a few books. So first, show them the cover page. Okay, cover page कौन सा
Okay.
interesting है? More colorful or like something which is more sober. Okay,
Okay.
if you try to read the title of the book again, very important because child has to obviously read the title and then choose the book, right? Then do some research on the author. So it could be Enid Blyton, it could be Geronimo Stilton, it could be a particular genre that your child likes. It could be some short stories like Panchatantra. These books which I have it at home. इंट्रोड्यूस देम टू द ऑथर्स. ऑथर्स क्या है, कौन है ये ऑथर्स जिन्होंने बुक्स लिखी हैं. ओके, when the child does a little bit of research, tell them to read the back page. There's a summary written behind each book, so they can
Okay.
read the gist of the entire book which is written behind, understand what is the book all about. Okay, see if it develops interest in your child. All right, and then encourage them to buy a book. Now if you are in a library, you have a physical book with you, tell them to open the book in fact and see if there are any pictures in the book. Now the book which I have here, it has a lot of pictures if you see here, you know
Okay.
so tell them, see, are the pictures interesting, does it interest them. Okay, show them these
Mm-hmm.
kind of pictures. They need to have this curiosity कि ये क्या होगा इस बुक में, क्या होगा. जब तक कोई curiosity नहीं आएगी, the child will not pick up the book. All right. So
Okay.
if you have the physical facility to go to a library, nearby library, go and introduce them with the book and tell them to have a sneak peek inside the picture. Okay, of every book,
Okay.
and then help them to select a book of their choice. Then you purchase them one or two books, not more than that. Understand then, just one or two books is more than enough if you purchase for a start. This is for beginners, I'm saying. Okay? Where once you do that again, then how do you identify what kind of a reader you are? Okay, so
Okay.
if your child is a literary snob, he will prefer books like Shakespeare's and stuff, like little more of a higher vocabulary. Alright? If your child is more of a book juggler, तो क्या करेगा? यू सी ना जगलर जगलिंग बॉल, लेकिन उछाला, दूसरा लिया, तीसरा लिया, ही विल स्टार्ट इवन जगलिंग विद द बुक। एक लिया, मजा नहीं आया, बंद करके रख दिया, दूसरा लिया, बंद करके रख दिया, दैट्स अ बुक जगलर। Okay, then it could be a fiction fanatic. If your child loves to read fiction, that means he's going to be a fiction fanatic. Okay,
Okay.
or your child could be a habitual book clubber. He would prefer joining a book club kind of a thing, wherein there are like-minded people, like-minded children the like your child, and then he will connect because they have accountability partners. अरे तुमने कितने रीड किया, तुमने कितने पेजेस रीड किए, they have that check on each other, wherein it's called the accountability thing. Then it could be more of a maybe movie adaptation. Now there are certain books जिसके ऊपर movies बनी हुई हैं, like Harry Potter, Matilda. It could be a child who loves reading books जिसके ऊपर movie
Movie
बनी.
like Harry
Right.
Potter. Yeah, you must have seen Harry Potter. Then Three Idiots, which was like a movie. It turned to out the book turned to out to be a movie.
So,
Huh.
okay, these kind of reader. Or it could be a COVID reader. Now, what do I mean by COVID reader? जिन बच्चों ने COVID times में book उठाकर reading शुरू किया है, I have given them the name as COVID reader. So
Oh
just a
wow,
few interesting types
that
of
is interesting.
concepts that I had introduced with my children, and they love the concept, and they were trying to figure out कि अच्छा खुशी आंटी हम लोग कौन से type के reader हैं, help us to figure it out. And I was like, these are the
That's
categories, and you can go through the list and figure out what kind of a reader you are.
that's amazing. That's amazing. So I think so. My son must be a friction one because he tried to read something which is totally different and just want to figure it out. And he may be a club one also, the way you told Ki.
So it's so
Because
easy,
he
right?
has his a group with his friends. They club it and they just discuss about the book, start reading, they share the books, and this is going on.
So see, it becomes so easy to identify, right, Purva?
Exactly. So this was a very unique and a very interesting thing to how a parent can identify how their like kids and what kind of books they like. So I now
Right.
got a point that my son likes to read fiction books. So this is a good, interesting one.
So
So
even listeners, if you want to identify and you think that you have identified, shoot in the comments below what kind of a child, what kind of a reader your child is.
exactly, the parents can just write the comment and the type of their readers, and they can just they can use those techniques to find the books for their kids. If the parents don't
Absolutely.
know या बच्चे पढ़ नहीं रहे हैं या कुछ उन्हें कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना है, पहले तो उनको कवर फोटो ही दिखा दीजिए and just go through the summary in the back end and see few pictures in the book. These are three important things the parent should look into before buying a book. So, a few techniques to inculcate this habit of reading in kids. How we can inculcate a habit?
It is not difficult at all, actually. So here today I will be just sharing a very few techniques of how to introduce and how to inculcate this habit of reading. Firstly, I have always told in my previous, FP lives as well, be a role model. So here I will share you a small example of me. Even I read a book. It's not just that I make my child read a book. So this book is for me, Chanakya, in you. So till date, me and my children, we somehow remove that time for reading. So जैसा your children remove, obviously they brush their teeth every day, they bathe every day. So even reading
They
has to
do
be
their
done
daily activities, huh?
every day. Right. So first is start small is what I will suggest. So immediately don't tell your children, start reading now. I want you to start for 1 hour. Not possible. A child who has not started reading will not sit for an hour to read. Rather, tell your child to just read 2 pages. A 5 minute
Okay,
reading of every day. So set small goals and then increase the time limit of reading and reduce the time limit of the gadget. Okay, this
okay.
is
This
how
was
you.
a thing we discussed how to just remove them from the gadget habit and how to inculcate this reading one. It's a
Yes. So
very
if
good thing.
yes, so in the previous video, if viewers you have missed it out, Purva and me, we were discussing on how to decrease the gadget time, and we had discussed a small little point over there. And so start doing this. gradually increase their reading time and reduce the gadget time in children. Okay. Secondly is keep the books in a place where it's visible. It is very handy for the child to take it. So don't keep it at a very higher shelf. Keep it at places where it's very easily accessible to the child so that
To read it.
they can
Yeah,
take it even if you are busy. Okay?
exactly.
Keep a fixed time every day if possible. So if you say, okay, let's start reading at 3 o'clock, see to it that you read at 3 every day. Only for 5 minutes. As I said, start small, but have a fixed time of
So
reading.
they will gradually create this habit, and it will go on with them. They will move on
Absolutely,
with the same thing.
absolutely. Have a book library day wherein you are you're cleaning your books up, the shelf is clean, because unless and until you don't dust it out, you will not have that connectivity with the book. Okay, take the book, dust it out, have that library book day, and see if any of the books needs to be exchanged. Start exchanging books with your friends, with any of your relatives, or in a library. You can do that. Okay. Again, when you open the book has a very peculiar smell. I don't know how many of your parents have actually smelled the book, but
Exactly.
it is really very refreshing to introduce that smell, the mindful reading, which I would say, the touch of the book, the feel of the book. This is what mindful reading is all about. You are aware completely of what you are doing. Okay. Carry a book if possible wherever you're going instead of the gadget. So of course you are carrying with you, but see to it that even if you have that 2 minutes of time, see to it that you read the book instead of taking up the gadget. So read the book instead of the gadget. And the next best thing is when you travel also you have these audio books available. So instead of just
Exactly.
listening to music in the car, if you have these small little audiobooks of stories, it will really push your child and boost their energy, and they will be self motivated to start reading. So these are a few techniques which you can apply.
Exactly.
Yeah, so details of this I will be taking in our session. Purva will be announcing soon. But these
So
are the
we
few
are
techniques.
coming up with a session next week from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Parents, please note that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we are coming with a reading session, a storytelling session with Khushi, where she will be introducing few new stories to the kids. They will be listening to her. Simultaneously, they will be also answering, coming with new questions. Their vocabulary will increase, and they will enjoy this session. So I will be sharing this creative with you where you will be given all the full details with it. So don't forget to join us on Monday. Sure. So
Yep.
Kushi, the last question, which is now we have come to an end of our session. So last question is like, what challenges a parent or a child face during reading? Can you just give us few tips and tricks where we can overcome these challenges?
Absolutely. Now, जैसे मैंने कहा, like it's very easy to say कि हाँ book reading चलो शुरू कर देते हैं, and then parents say मेरा बच्चा तो बैठता ही नहीं है book reading के लिए. No, खुशी, there are so many times you have given these tips, but still they do not sit and read. So firstly, as I said, identify what kind of a reader your child is. That is the first challenge. Once you overcome this challenge, there are few other challenges. The next one is lack of self motivation. If you are not self motivated, if you do not have a purposeful living, you will not pick up a book to read. So
Oh,
books are basically for two important things, for entertainment and for information. Identify what kind of these two categories may say, what is that one thing what your child is looking out for. Is he wanting to read the book
exactly.
purely for entertainment, or is it for information? Right?
Okay.
Once you
Hmm.
identify, you have to motivate your child, and by doing this, you have to also start reading. Okay. The next important challenges which parents very commonly face is हम लोग कल करते हैं ना, खुशी आज जाने दो, हम लोग कल करते हैं.
It's like,
Procrastination.
yes.
So unless and until parents you do not take an action today, it will never begin. कल कभी नहीं आने वाला है. Trust me on this. So I think let's not procrastinate and let's not push off till tomorrow. But after the live session, if you think the session was really helpful, just search, begin your book search right now, because unless and
Now,
until you
exactly.
don't take that action, it will never start. So
So
these are the
that's why
two
we have kept this session where the parents can easily help out and understand what type of books they should take, what are the techniques, and what challenges they are facing. They all can be sorted with Kushi. So Kushi,
absolutely.
yeah,
And before I leave today, like before the live, before we wind up the session today, a very important famous quote which I would like to share with all the parents and the children here. If you want a good body, hit the gym. But if you want a good mind,
mind
start reading books.
reading books.
Start reading books.
Yes. So reading helps them in a lot many ways. So now parents, I think so in this आपको ये जो session है ये सभी पेरेंट्स को हेल्पफुल रहेगा खुशी इट वाज अमेजिंग टुडे यू टोल्ड सो मेनी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स एंड द आइडियाज हाउ टू inculcate reading, how to face those challenges, how to recognize which kind of a reader your child is. It was amazing session. So now we have come to end of an interview. I would like to give you a warm thanks to Khushi for being a part of the show. We extremely enjoyed this session. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Hope you also enjoyed this talk show. So don't forget to join us on 17th, which is for the mindful for women's mental and physical health with Kalyani. So hope to see you all tomorrow. And thank you, Kushi, for being with us. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.